Here we got Kevin Grab Life at Crunch Fitness.
Reindeer.
He's a reindeer today. This is his sleigh workout, helping Santa. If you're looking for a workout right before Christmas, this is a good one. Again, we're at Crunch Fitness. We got Kevin Grab Life, all decked out for the holidays. Good way to lose some weight right before the holidays, except for Santa, of course. Now he's gonna push it back.
Santa Claus lost a lot of weight and gained more muscles here, so he weighs a lot more.
Oh yeah, there we go. Santa's helper.
And what we've got here, so we have to leave presents behind. Don't leave presents behind. Don't leave presents. Okay, there it is. See.
Come on. Come on, Rudolph.
So that's yours. Kids can come to that border.
This is Kevin's trainer, Johnny Cut.
Reindeers are tired this year, but you know, reindeers are doing a different placement. I think reindeers are coming.
You got it. Push, 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 push. You got it. To add to your workout, you can use the stretchy band, red and green for Christmas colors. Push. Finish it up. Finish it up to the end. Oh yeah. Never quit a workout. Again, we're at Crunch Fitness Harrisburg. We got Kevin Grab Life.
And
subscribe to this YouTube channel. It's a hard workout. I'm up next.